Hi everyone, welcome back to Goldfries. In this video, I'm going to show you something that I have stashed for a long time. So I think I might have a few videos like this where I show you things that I have stockpiled, stashed in for many years. And for I don't know how many episodes will there be, but starting with the first one, I present to you my SATA cables. Yes, there's a camera on top so you can see so many, and I don't think this is my complete collection just yet. So how did I come about getting so many SATA cables? Well, it's over the many years of motherboards that came into my place. I'm not referring to review units. Review units you get, you use and you return, and typically you don't open the SATA packaging. At least to what I remember, I don't do that. But there are those that I would not open simply because those are my boards. There are so many boards that came in. Either it's my own use until it's sold off again, or used and it's broken. And a lot of these cables are left behind, and some of the cables, they are the usual SATA types, and some they have this 90-degree angle cables. So let's just go through. So you can see I might just regret doing this because you can see there's just so many, the packed and unpacked one. Empty ones are here too, so it feels like it's going to be quite a waste, I feel, to dispose of all these cables. There's just so many, and you might be asking, is it even possible for someone to have so many? Yes, and I actually do not want to you to go deep down further because I'm gonna have to keep all this. So yes, why do we have all this? Well, back then drives were non-M.2 drives are all SATA, so you keep one, keep another, and I have a habit of keeping my things into nice places like this. So I kept, and then you know what? Until now, I rarely use any SATA drives already. I've sold off many. I only have a few left as SSDs. I think I have 3 left. A few hard disks on my network storage. That's pretty much it. As you can see, the drives motherboard nowadays comes with so many M.2 slots. Like the one that I just shared recently, you saw that it has 6. So I don't even remember any time that I have more than 2 drives on my personal system, not counting my file storage. But my file storage has 4 drives only because they are 2 terabytes each, and I do not want to buy any 4 or even 12 terabyte drives. But if ever I buy bigger capacity drives, it will be just one single machine with a 12 terabyte hard disk for storage. This is not the case. Nowadays you can get 2 terabyte M.2 drives and buy a few of them. They can be your storage. And so yeah, I really have no reason to keep all this already. So I am actually disposing these cables, although it's felt like gonna be kind of waste. So that's it for this one. I just want to show you how crazy this collection can be. And if ever you or you know anyone who wants SATA cables, just let me know, because I'm going to just I guess I'm going to just have this thing around for another few weeks or so before I totally dispose of them. Seriously, I cannot see myself getting any more or wanting to use even half of this. I could actually just keep a pack. Like this is 2. This is how many? Looks like, yeah, it's 2, which is more than enough, more than anyone actually needs. So unless you are somebody who likes to have a lot of storage drives, it might cost less, I guess, but still I think I only need 2, 4. Definitely not this whole box. So that's it for this one, just my sharing of what I've accumulated over these years. So upcoming ones, I might have definitely I'm gonna have a few other maybe 1 or 2 additional about my collections, maybe just 1, I don't know. I used to have stash of this AMD crossfire cable, those crossfire link cables. I don't know where I placed them. I think I disposed of them already. But nevertheless, this video is just to share to you the crazy collection I have over here. That's all for this one, just a random video. Thanks for watching, guys. And do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.